What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's John Burn Tech Shop. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to reset or remove or bypass Gmail account for Oppo A16K. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's go. So it's gonna be a step-by-step. It took me some time to figure out how to bypass the Gmail account for Oppo A16K. I did some testing, trial and error method, and I did some research online as well on how to bypass Gmail account in order for me to log in and use the Oppo A16K. So I'm gonna show you on the screen, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube. So you'll need to install Oppo preloader first. To download this guy. No. Download this guy, and it's gonna download here. You'll need to install it. Basically, to Oppo, basically extract it and then install this guy. So let me just show it to you. For example, just click next, finish, and then after installing it, close the browser, go to unlock tool, go to Oppo, look for the model A16K, click on that guy and click on erase FRP. Now go to your phone and shut it off. There. And then once it is shut off, unplug the cable, press volume up and down, and then plug in the cable, and it's gonna read the phone, and then wait until it's done.
And I charge it.
Kanin lang. Kuha niya. There.
Amen.
Coba.
What are you doing, Mom?